is an overstatement. No, you're not.
Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherry Juliet if you're new here, and today I'll be showing you how to do a high puff on my 4C natural hair. So don't be alarmed, my hair is shrunken, it is not cut. If you're new here, my hair is actually almost hip length. I just allow it to shrink for the sake of doing this high puff, and whenever I leave my hair stretched to do a high puff, it just falls, and I don't want it to fall. I want it to stand like really high up, so that's why it's necessary for me to allow my hair to shrink. And when it's shrunken like this, it has more body and it has more volume. My hair is voluminous naturally, but it just has a lot of volume at the top, which I like. Okay, so first things first is that I just go through the perimeter of my head with a bristle brush just to brush my edges, and then I'll be using the snappy hair ties from Swelly Curly. And what I do is I join two together. I find that this is actually so convenient compared to using a whole hairband and having to pass it through my head twice. So with this one, I just snap two together, and then I place it at the perimeter of my head and I secure it by snapping it back. And then here's the trick. Okay, what I do is I hold the snappy at the front while I push my hair up from behind, and then I do this slowly to make sure that I gather the amount of hair that I want at the top of my head. It's entirely up to you how big you want your puff to be, but I want mine looking very thick and very full. So I tend to leave a lot, and I tend to just keep stretching it with my hands by pulling parts of my hair to create more volume.
You always too warm about me. You never really cared enough to keep me around. You always too cold to call me. You're so bored.
So I untied the snappy in front that I was holding taut, and then I gently go around my puff and then secure it at the back.
Strutting on sunshine. Strutting on sunshine. Clouds just roll away. Strutting on sunshine. Don't gotta worry today. Strutting on sunshine. Clouds just roll away. No matter what I do.
So I move on to making sure that the perimeter of my hair is quite smooth. You could use a bristle brush, you could use a gel. It is entirely up to you. And in this case, I am going to use a gel just to make sure that I have that sleek effect. You don't have to do this; it's entirely your choice. So I'm just going to use the Igbocurls gel, the green one. I think it's called the olive oil one. So I will write the name down in the description box below. So yeah, so I'm just going to place this gel on my edges and use a rat tail comb or your edge tamer brush to just style your edges the way you want them to lay.
Strutting on sunshine, have no time for pain. I'm strutting on sunshine. I'm so light on my feet. Strutting on sunshine, here I feel complete. No matter what I do, no matter what I'm going to, not to worry in the world.
I also like to use this opportunity to just say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for subscribing. Thank you all so much for your support, and yeah, thank you always for watching. Okay, now back to the video. So once I'm done laying my edges the way I want them to lie, I will just tie a scarf on it and then leave it for 5 minutes. Then while I'm waiting, during the 5 minutes, I just keep tugging at my hair to pull it out just a little bit more, just to have more volume. But this is what I like. I like my high puffs high. That's the whole point. It has to be high. And I just keep tugging just to make sure that it is just extremely voluminous at the top. So after 5 minutes, I take down my scarf and my edges look so great. So yeah, I'm satisfied with it the way it is, and this is what my high puff generally it looks like. You can see that it's high, and yes, my hair can do a high puff if I let it shrink. And yeah, so this is a great high puff. This is how I do my high puff on my 40 natural hair. So the key things are to make sure that your hairband is not too tight that it's suffocating your brain, but it just make it like firm enough and also fluff as you go. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you share this video, and don't forget to live well, live great, and have a great life. Stay blessed, lovelies. God bless you. Bye.
Am I supposed to expect when you don't even know it yet? You were always lukewarm about me. You never really cared enough to keep me around. You were always too cold to call me. You're so bored, you act like you've been watching matches burn out. Picking petals, trying to settle what is it you really want, 'cause you can't ever seem to decide. Is this platonic? How ironic, I should really know by now, but you can't seem to make up your mind. You do, you don't, you will, you won't. So what am I supposed to expect? You don't even know it yet. You were always lukewarm about me. You never really cared enough to keep me around. You were always too cold to call me. You're so bored, you act like you've been watching matches burn out. You do, you don't, you will, you won't. So what am I supposed to expect? You don't even know it yet. You were always lukewarm about me. You never really cared enough to keep me around. You were always too cold to call me. You're so bored, you act like you've been watching matches burn out. You've been watching matches burn out. Matches burn out. You always, always, and you don't even know it yet.
If you wanna know what I'm thinking about you. And I don't really know what I'm doing if I do it without you. I could spend every single minute of every single day with you. It's a little crazy, I admit it. I gotta know that you're near me, 'cause you're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best thing, my one and only. You're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best thing, best thing, best thing. When I look into the future and wonder what I'll do, yeah, everywhere I wanna go, wanna see you, wanna be with you, with you, with you. You're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best thing, my one and only. You're the best, you're the best, you're the best, you're the best thing, best thing, best thing.